you were coming for sound check, that we would do something special for you that we never let anybody see. So we'll play a few songs that we do during the set, but I kind of wanted you to see more of the beginning process of how we develop things, and you'll kind of be able to see how long things take, and when you see the show tonight, you'll see how we kind of blow it out to a fantasy, but it really just, it started right here at a piano, just me and my brown hair. It would be fun for us to do this, and thank you so much to Citibank for supporting this show and covering the stage with roses. It's been such a beautiful Roseland.
My mama told me when I was young, we are all one superstar. She rolled my hair and put my lipstick on, in the glass of her boudoir. Let's turn it up in my ears. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause you made you perfect, babe. So hold your head up, you'll go far. Listen to me when I say I'm beautiful in my way. God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Don't hide yourself in regret. Love yourself and yourself. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way, yeah. Give yourself prudence. New York, love your friend. Subway kid, rejoice true. In the religion of the insecure, I must be myself, respect my youth. A different lover, always another sin, believe me. Capital H, I am a lady. I love my life, I love this Roseland. Me amore, Lafayette. I'm beautiful in my way. God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Don't hide yourself in regret. Love yourself and yourself. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way, yeah.
We have this theory on our team in the house. We say that if it's good without any production, once you put the production on, it just flies. Right? It's all about your pure, raw talent, your ability, not mine, but everybody in this room. You should build your whole life like that. As long as your soul is good, your mind is good, you believe with what you're making has integrity, that it could change one person's life, that's all that matters. Just one. Right? I love you too. Isn't this nice? Is it too early to have a drink? It's 6 o'clock somewhere. Actually, it's 6 o'clock here. because when I first got into the industry and we would collaborate with big corporations, they had all these rules for us, you know, about what they wanted my dancers to wear, how they wanted the boys to dress. They would say it was too gay, you can't do that, you know, and it's so amazing now because everybody's so free. Everybody's so open-minded, and Citibank's saying, no, let's help her make her Roseland. Let's put roses all over her city. Let's put them all over Roseland so that when Roseland has its funeral, it's covered in every rose in New York City. I love it.
My mama told me, she said, when I was young, we are all born superstars.